Alright guys, I'm seeing a lot of posts here on Reddit. People trying to install these pools, people having a hard time, and they're, looking for advice. So I think three things that are crucial to getting this to work are: number one, get your pool pad as close to level as possible. I keep stressing this over and over, but laser leveling it is the only way you're gonna do it. Go pick up a cheap laser level, use any kind of tape measure you got, and just go around and find your high spots, low spots, and figure it out, level it out. Number two, make sure you bury those pavers. Make sure they're the exact same height as the pool pad. So, if they start bowing outward or they start moving any which way you can imagine, they will. You're going to want to adjust them, and it's going to be super hard to adjust them if those pool legs have a lot of pressure on them. So get them the same level as the pool pad, and you'll be able to adjust them. I'll make a short video of me adjusting mine sometime in the near future to show you guys how I do it. And number three, take your time. People seem discouraged, and they're on the Reddit forum looking for advice, and they kind of seem sad about putting their pool up and it's off level. But you know what, drain it, fix it, and refill it. It's the only way you're gonna have peace of mind, and the only way you're gonna enjoy it. So just number three, take your time, stop being discouraged. You can do this. All right guys, take care.